How to fix Instagram white screen problem. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to fix Instagram white screen problem. So first is you have to make sure that your application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and then type in Instagram. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Instagram is updated. Now, if your application is already updated, we can now start with our tutorial. So let's go back to the home page. Now, if you're still encountering the white screen problem here, all you have to do is to go to your settings and go to your app list. So go to your Instagram and then click on that. All you have to do is to click force stop Instagram. It will actually restart and refresh your Instagram. So they may ask you to log in again. And if you're still encountering the white screen, you could also uninstall the application there, then download it again. Now, if you're still encountering the white screen problem, I also suggest for you to go to your Chrome or your web search and then just type in Instagram.com. In here, you could actually log in your account, and if you're done logging in with your account, you can now report it to the Instagram about what is happening on your Instagram. And that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.